everyone! In this video, we are going to learn how to create a new vendor questionnaire. To create a new vendor questionnaire, we need to navigate to Vendor Management, Configurations, and Configure Questionnaires. The first section of the Configure Questionnaires page contains the questions list. This shows a list of questions that are already in the system. If we want to add any new questions, type it in the text box at the bottom and click on Add to upload it. Click Next to move on to the next section. The second section allows us to view the questionnaire sections. This page shows us the list of questionnaire sections that are already available. To add a new section, type the name in the text box at the bottom and click Add. Then click Next to go on to the third section. On this final page, we can create a new questionnaire. There are two different ways that we can create a new questionnaire. The first method is to create a new one from scratch. The other method is to make a questionnaire using an existing template. To create a new questionnaire from scratch, first select the questions you wish to include by checking the box next to each one. If the question is mandatory, click the mandatory checkbox as well. If you want to change the order of the questions, simply drag and drop to move them around. We then need to select a question section for each of our questions in the drop-down to the right. Also enter a name in the Save as New field. If we forget to select a question section for any of our questions, it will show an alert and we can go back to correct this mistake. Here we can see the alert when we try to click Finish. Finally, once all the info is in, click Finish to create your new template. The other way to create a new questionnaire is through using an existing template. We can start by selecting an existing template from the questionnaire template dropdown. Once we select that, we can see that the fields selected when the template was originally created are now displayed on the screen. We are then free to make changes or add new fields, give a new name to the form, and then click Finish when we are done. So this way, we are able to create new templates quickly by modifying existing ones. So, this is how we can create vendor onboarding or reassessment questionnaires.